Unveiling Wisdom, a journey into English Proverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary, idiomatic expressions. Today we're going to delve into an exciting part of English language idioms, proverbs. Proverbs are short, well-known sayings that express a truth based on common sense or experience. They're often metaphorical and packed with wisdom. So, are you ready to explore these pearls of wisdom with me? Let's get started. A proverb is a simple, concrete, traditional saying that expresses a perceived truth based on common sense or experience. Proverbs are often metaphorical and use formulaic language. They are often handed down from generation to generation, embodying the knowledge, observations, and lessons of our ancestors. For example, don't count your chickens before they hatch. This proverb means don't assume something will happen until it has already occurred. It advises us to avoid making plans based on future events that may not happen. Now let's take a look at some of the most popular English proverbs and their meanings. 1. The early bird catches the worm. This proverb advises that success comes to those who prepare well and put in their efforts early. 2. Actions speak louder than words. This means that what a person actually does is more important than what they say they will do. 3. Every cloud has a silver lining. This suggests that every difficult or sad situation has a comforting or more hopeful aspect, even though this may not be immediately apparent. Proverbs are used in conversation to make a point or to offer advice. They are often used to add emphasis or to succinctly express a truth. For instance, if a friend is upset about a problem, you might say, "Remember, every cloud has a silver lining," to remind them that even though things are tough now, they may lead to something positive in the future. That's it for our exploration of Proverbs, folks. Remember, these age-old phrases are a goldmine of wisdom, and using them appropriately can add depth to your English conversations and writings. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep practicing these proverbs and try using them in your daily conversations. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll uncover more intriguing facets of the English language. Until then, happy learning, and see you next time.